Oh, Amy, don't be jealous because I'm paying attention to another. Don't mind her. She kind of has a thing for me.
Who wouldn't?
Exactly.
Looks like she's setting up for a date.
A date? That's cool. I mean, what do I care? Stop looking at me.
So, you really don't remember anything? Not even those twins?
Oh, I remember the twins, all right. I mean, I remember how much I disliked them.
Are there any more marshmallows?
Hey, Sonic, bro to bro. What's up with you and Amy?
Manifestations of characters from video games.
There is a certain princess in a castle I'd like to meet.
Great novels in the world! My bad.
Now you're talking! About the invading horde, I mean, not the part about you screwing up.
And you'll never win that couch for that whiny little girlfriend of yours. She's not my girlfriend.
Atrocity. Tails and I are on the kill switches. Eggman, you'll have to show us how to activate them.
Pre-mission group hug?
No.
Meteors are shooting stars. We shouldn't be running. We should be making wishes. I wish for a pony.
And I wish you'd take cover.